You ever had a threesome, Paris?
Woo.
With you and 2 guys?
Woo.
Well, that's a bus.
That's a
That's
train.
not a train no more, nigga. That's a bus right there.
Why is that a bus? It's 2 guys.
First of all, I feel like I'm a freak to an extent, right? But not to threesome. I feel like once I put threesome, I'm just out of this world. I just feel like I'm done. I'm not using nobody, but I have a limit. You know, I feel like for me threesome is
You're gonna
not
be a freak so much. You're gonna be so much of a freak.
Yeah, you can't out here fucking be eating niggas' ass.
Spitting in girls' mouths.
I had a nigga ask me to eat his ass, bro.
Somebody actually eat his
A man asked you? Oh, he's bold. And he
When
said,
I
please.
told you the place where we were at, it was like an hour away from my house. I walked. I had to say to my boy, I said not today. And some people really be too freaky. Like,
I feel like people
would you
do.
ever let a girl tie you?
Nope.
Tie me?
I don't trust that. You ain't
You
gonna tie
scared?
Yup. Yup.
This nigga.
Too many movies, bro.
I was some shit like that.
It's not gonna be no one night stand. Some girl gonna be like, yo, come to my crib for the first time and then try to tie you up. It could be somebody that's comfortable with you.
Exactly. And those are the ones that get you the most.
The one that keeps you right in the basement.
You're like, oh, so you thought you was gonna fuck me and then go fuck somebody else? Nah.
Right? After you hit it raw? You like,
The person is over for you.
oh,
Bruh.
shit.
Never let nobody cuff me, nothing like that. Hell no. I don't like cuffs.
Me too. I be scared. I be pulling.
Parents, are you on birth control?
Hell no.
I just asked. That's a regular question. That's a regular question.
Paris be getting her shit busted.
Dr.
Yo, chill out.
I just
Bro.
forgot.
Birth control, what's that? She don't know.
I just asked.
She definitely know what plan B is though.
Yo, this is getting too crazy. Yo, you Max. Yo, you Max.
Don't make me put the girl that you talking about me. I'll put a picture right here.
Why would you do
You
that?
ain't gonna put a picture to the left, like.
I mean, she is bad, so you could if you want to, but then you
I
won't
like
have
her.
to.
You have to explain why you exposed her.
Exactly.
What if she want to be exposed? What if she want people to know that she fucked Moscato? Oh,
Oh.
I don't
You
know.
gotta see it, bro.
You gotta see it through.
Okay.
Hey.
Another question. Last 2 questions they're gonna ask me.
Let's find out. Let's find out if people in the comments want to fuck Moscato.
What's popping? Like,
drop-
feel
drop-
me? Just
drop
say
a-
a word, like.
Okay, if you
Drop
wanna
it.
fuck Moscato, type Moscato. If I like Dean, type Dean.
Yeah.
Tag up. That's a tag up.
Just let me know if you like climbing trees and shit.
Oh, he gonna spit in your mouth.
I'll teach you.
My boy gonna spit in your mouth.
No,
Know
man,
that.
I never said that.
Know that.
I'm not gonna.
You don't gotta say that. Know
Unless
that.
I'm in the mood. Unless we're drunk and we're in the mood.
They gotta be drunk.
And you gotta have great pussy.
You don't talk about niggas be capping, bro, out loud.
Bro, I said I only did that shit once, bro.
And you was drunk, man?
I was drunk. Yeah, I was
No,
drunk.
you was-
See,
No, I was drunk.
he's spitting people.
It wasn't with
You
what's her
were so
name. It
that
was
day.
the first girl. You didn't even see the first girl, did you?
No.
Yeah, you
I don't
did.
need to. This one was better.
Yeah,
I
she
gotta
was.
see it through my boy. Shut
But-
I don't gotta see it.
Even
through
though
my
the
boy.
second one looked better and she had a fatter ass and shit like that,
Hey.
the first one was still better.
I hear
The
that.
second one, pussy was just alright.
Oh, wait, so you spit in the first one's mouth?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
He said probably, yeah.
I don't know, I ain't he spitting everybody in my mouth. Like I said,
No, bro.
he gotta do that shit drunk.
in one girl mouth in my whole life, and that was in Miami. I had to see it through.
I had to see it
I
through.
have a question. Y'all need to answer me this.
Mm-hmm.
Do you missionary? Do you guys like when girls like squish your butt?
No.
Yo, honestly, that should be. You know what I mean? That should be. You gotta see it through, so I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. They ain't gotta squeeze it, but if you hold, like, yeah, thrust my shit, sometimes they grab it.
Yeah.
And they, ooh, boy.
But not squeezing my shit.
Let me
That's
just
the
do
word.
something. Oh, I never seen it. That's serious.
I said, I never see D-Max serious. Like,
Yeah, you know what it is? It was actually weird. I had an ex that actually like that. Don't get me wrong, you know, I wouldn't catch orgasm of that, but all the time, like, what the fuck, like, am I fucking a dyke or something?
Hey,
Like, no. But, and all he wanted to do is missionary.
Oh yeah, I got a question for y'all.
guys don't like it.
Is this gay? Like, on my bucket list, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna wait.
You
What
wanna
the
smash
fuck?
somebody
I
with
would
your
never,
homies?
nobody is ever going near my booty hole. What the fuck? But is it gay that I want to smash a dyke? Like that's on my bucket list. Like I want y'all to say that in the comments.
I don't think it's gay. Just
Wait,
simply
what
because-
kind
It's definitely weird.
Yeah.
But I'm a weird
What
person.
kind of dye? Cause there's the manly dye.
No, not the.
They-
But
that's
there's the pretty ones too. Like you feel me? There's some
what?
dykes that got fat asses too. Like
That's
yeah.
Hold on.
Mhm. Yeah. Like you feel me? Like they be dykes, but they know they be wanting some dick low key. Like yeah, like no cap.
I'm going.
And I want a fucking midget too. That's weird.
Alright. Everybody got their thing, you feel me? Everybody got their thing. The midget thing,
Leave
that's
me
more.
alone. That's you to talk for them, please. Like they're right here on your knees.
The thing is, they're just not
I'll
so.
be right here.
Yo, this is the thing though. It's like, have you seen midgets around like that?
I've seen no. I've
Nah,
seen
it's hard to
midget
find. So like,
Yeah.
you
Okay,
gotta
like,
find
next
one,
to you?
then get one to talk to.
Have you
that
seen one next
like.
to you?
The first time I saw a midget, I got scared.
Hey, honestly told.
Because I ain't never seen a midget before in my life.
I ain't never
I
seen
just
a
came
midget.
back to America and shit. So
There you
I went in
go.
the bathroom in school and I seen this midget. He was short as hell. He had the full beard with dreads. I saw him. Like, oh shit! Literally,
What is
I
it?
screamed. He was
Grown ass
like,
little
oh
man.
no, it's no reason to be scared.
He was telling you you good.
I wanna be my skin.
He's telling you good.
He's telling me I'm good. Like,
Nah,
what?
that I would have been more scared. One time I was in scared, now you about to nigga move.
Yo, word. So they come up to me, nah, don't be scared.
I don't think we have a lot of midgets in Africa, right?
No.
Maybe not.
That happens. That don't happen in Africans. I
Watch
don't see
out.
no African midgets to be
I
honest.
see.
Oh, that's not midget though, right? When they look young, like the African actors.
That's
They
midget.
are midgets.
Those are, oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Them
They'll be the funniest ones though.
Yeah.
They be the funniest
Funny,
ones.
though. I cannot papa. I fuck with them guys.
Them niggas have been looking the same age since I was born. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
They rich as hell. Grown ass rich ass.
Okay.
kids.
Grown ass, rich ass kids.
What's your sex fantasy, dude?
Wow, that's a good one. I want to have sex with somebody that like I can't like. She's like foreign, like completely foreign to where we don't even speak the same language. I just want to get that off. Like you feel me? Like that was like one of my lists. Like to run into a girl that can't understand a word I say, but still end up in that ass. Now that's a challenge, my nigga. That's a challenge.
Me, you, room.
Room, you get what it. I don't have to say nothing. Just me, you, room. Now, no, yeah. Let's get it.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, bugger. My fantasy is getting trained, but that means I will never do it though. Like I just want to be nasty, but I will.
How you say I want to do it, but I never want to do it?
Okay, because after I do it, like I'm gonna kill myself. Like I'm gonna be.
No, you're not.
You know what I'm saying, right? Like after that, you're like, so what? Like what's next on life?
After that, you like, wow, I got that fancy, and now you just got rock.
I just feel like I would just be like anybody. No, I wouldn't like that.
Oh, I mean, hey, I get it. It's not really a fantasy then. It's more like a curiosity.
And I don't want this to make a porn.
Curiosity.
I kind of want to make a porn. Let's see how I look. Camera.
I've made a couple porns.
Oh, like set it up,
But yeah.
tripod, all that shit.
It's in my phone somewhere.
Is that really a porn or is it just sex clips?
It's just sex tapes.
Okay, so what's your
Tapes?
porn too?
A porn is you setting that shit up and we starting from start to finish. Like that's a porn, that's the whole thing.
Well, I've done that.
You feel me?
Would you ever post a porn video?
Nope.
On my OnlyFans.
If I know I'm making,
No.
if I know I'm,
Look, that shit about to blow up. Niggas, you know what I mean?
I already
You
said
know-
this and I'ma say it
You don't
again.
have other kids.
Feel me? What?
I
100
already
kids?
said this and I'ma say it again. If I don't get rich off of music,
OnlyFans is next.
I'm gonna be a porn star.
They gotta
OnlyFans
speak
is
to
next.
that big, my boy.
Word.
If I can't do the one thing that I love, I'm gonna do the second thing I love the most.
And what's that?
Busting it.
Busting it. Get it, boy. Busting it.
I'm just kidding.
Feel me? Bust it.
Busting that
Bust it.
Cause that wop.
My other said, I think it's like fucking like in a nice view. You know, like a glass, you see the sunset. I
You
don't
see
Beautiful
outside
scenery.
type shit.
You know what I mean?
not,
Like a
not
city.
sitting north outside. I want to see
No.
goofy ass guts.
You ain't
That's
getting no.
that you ain't gonna chick up.
You ain't getting no views in Newark, New Jersey.
There you
I don't care what hotel he take you to. ain't getting no views, mama.
Hey, yo.
That's all. I have a question, Deji.
Yeah, what's up?
Have you ever fucked to one of your songs?
Have I ever fucked to one of my songs? No,
That shit
I
is
haven't.
different.
You fucked to my song?
No?
Oh, that's different.
No, what the fuck? I'm saying like somebody I was dating.
Nah, you should
fucked
definitely
his-
fuck to my song. Like,
What?
That would be very awkward. I ain't gonna lie. Not Moscow.
You gonna post on Instagram? Because I'm promoting my music video. Nah.
Yo, you might do music and sex and kind of counterfuse both. Like how you can do like porn, but then you gotta play your music in the back. Maybe sing a little bit before you fuck up. That nigga Moscow. Guess what I'm about to do? Go low. That nigga's about to go down.
Bend over.
I'm about to beat it up. Arch that back, girl.
I said, arch that back.
Arch that back. I said, arch that back.
You don't listen.
You don't listen.
Why are you running?
What?
Why are you running?
Yo,
Bring
you
that
got
ass back here.
Yo, Paris, would you ever let?
Bring that ass back here.
Why would they him to sing?
Yo, yeah, you can't stop him once he start going. Now he get the falsetto, tells him get that ass back here. I know this is gonna fall. Yo, Paris, would you ever let? Right, because I hear you talk about missionary a lot. So I'm guessing that's not your favorite or most ideal position. Let's say it was doggy style, right? You had that thing up in the air, ready to serve it to him. You put your head down on that pillar. You waiting for him. He climb up, he mount that thing. Now he down on that thing. Boom! You like, wow. Then that nigga reach over like this and put his foot on your face. And then start striking your shit.
Wait.
And then start striking your shit. How you gonna feel? Real talk.
The rice went on my nose.
The rice went in your nose?
Oh!
Boy.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Boy.
Damn!
You bleeding?
That was a damn rice!
Whoa. Ew.
But why is it so big?
That was a whole grain.
You almost committed a crime. You just put your eyes when you laugh while eating.
Yo,
Alright.
you ever see that? That position really crazy. Nigga, piece that.
Damn. They just say, oh.
Yo, cut it. Oh.
Yo, have you guys ever seen somebody cry and you don't know what to do? You don't know if you should console them or something? That was it. Alright, I'm about to end the video. 29? Damn.
Oh, alright.
Alright, guys. Yeah, we gotta go.
Hold on. Oh, my bad. Oh, I got this now. Nigga.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. We appreciate it.
What? That's it? Okay. Wait, first off, you didn't answer the question. You not gonna answer it? We're gonna just cut that whole
Of
question
course.
out?
I will suck his toes while he eat it.
You gonna catch that shit like... She gonna be like... Try to catch her toe.
Yo, is it weird that one of my fetish is fucking somebody older than me? Like
No,
50?
because I definitely want to do that.
Like 50?
But that nigga
He gonna
no
die?
stroke game. The fuck?
He gonna die?
Not that. 50 not old, like, sweet. Hey, chill. 50 might still be able to pump your
I'm
shit.
gonna fuck his shit. Oh, I'm gonna jump. After that, he gonna be in the, how you call the house with it?